Unlock flavor you won't find in any store-bought bottle, and elevate everything you eat. Today, we're whipping up a homemade chili lime vinaigrette that's going to completely change your salad game, your tacos, even your grilled chicken. Get ready for a zingy, spicy, fresh explosion of taste that's ridiculously easy, and I'll show you how in minutes. You know the drill. Store-bought dressings often disappoint, loaded with stuff you don't want, or just tasting bland. The biggest challenge for home cooks is finding that perfect balance of fresh, healthy, and seriously flavorful. This chili lime vinaigrette swoops in to save the day, giving you control over every delicious drop. The real magic happens when zesty lime hits smoky chili, creating an addictive flavor bomb that clings perfectly to every leaf, chicken piece, or even roasted veggies. Forget dull, sugary dressings. This is pure, fresh, vibrant deliciousness, made by you. So simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. This vinaigrette isn't just for salads. It's your new secret weapon for making everyday meals extraordinary, from marinades to taco toppings. You'll love it! Hit subscribe for more quick and delicious homemade recipes.